Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I want to show you something. I've been building a fully working AI voice receptionist for a dental practice. Now, this isn't a concept or a demo. This is a live working system that answers phone calls, checks availability, books appointments, sends messages to confirm patients' appointments, and logs everything automatically into a spreadsheet. I'm going to walk you through the whole thing, how it's structured, what each part does, and show you it working live. Let's dive into it. So first things first, let me just show you this actually working because I think that's the best place to start. I'm going to call the number now. This is a real phone number and it's connected to a real AI voice assistant that I've built. It's called Rachel. She's got a British voice, she sounds natural, and she's going to handle this call completely on her own.
Thank you for calling Dentist for You. This is Rachel. How can I help you today?
Hi Rachel, I'm looking to book a appointment in please for a checkup.
Of course, I'd be happy to help with that. Are you an existing patient with us, or would this be your first visit?
This will be my first visit.
Thank you for letting me know. What day or time works best for you? Do you prefer mornings, afternoons, or is there a specific date you have in mind?
Yeah, I have a date in mind, please. I'm looking to come in on the 30th of March in the morning, please.
Let me take a look at the calendar for you and check morning availability on the 30th of March 2026. Give me just a moment. Thank you. On Monday, the 30th of March 2026, I have a slot at 8 a.m. available for a dental checkup. Would that work for you, or would you like me to check other dates?
No, that's fine. Please book me in for that date, please.
Perfect. Can I take your full name, please?
Sure, it is Michael Beaumont.
Thank you, Michael. And your date of birth, please?
It is the 28th of the 3rd.
Got it. Best contact number for you?
The best contact number for me, if you bear with me a second, I'll just get my number.
No problem. Take your time.
It's 07886 0.
Thank you. And an email address for your confirmation?
My email address is 86@hotmail.co.uk.
Thank you. Just to confirm before I book that in, I have Michael Beaumont, date of birth 8/1987, a new patient dental checkup on Monday the 30th of March 2026 at 8 a.m. Your contact number is 078 and confirmation will go to 86@hotmail.co.uk. Does that all sound correct?
Yes, that's all correct. Thank you.
Perfect. Just give me one moment and I'll get that booked in for you. You're all booked in. Your dental checkup is confirmed for Monday, the 30th of March, 2026 at 8 a.m. at Dentist for You. You'll receive a confirmation 86@hotmail.co.uk shortly. As this is your first visit, please arrive 10 minutes early to complete your registration form. If you need to cancel or rearrange, please give us as much notice as possible. Have a great day and we'll see you on the 30th of March. Goodbye.
So you just heard that she answered immediately, established whether I was a new or existing patient, asked what I needed, checked availability, took my details, and confirmed the booking. No human involved at all. And all of this was sent to my Google Calendar, and also I got a message to my phone just to confirm my appointment. Show you appointment text straight after as well. So with all my dates, my checkup, and it says please arrive 5 minutes early and bring in the previous dental records if you have them. So this is all in the system. So now I'll actually show you how I've built this. So this is a VAPI. This is a voice AI platform that sits at the front end of the whole system. You can think of it as like a brain of the receptionist. This is where I've set up Rachel. I've given her a name, assigned her a British voice. I'm using 11 Labs for that because the quality is just so much better than the alternatives. I've written a system prompt, which you can start to see here with identity and sound of tone, and given a full set of instructions. So the system prompt tells her who she is, how to greet the caller, how to handle new versus existing patients, what appointment types are available, and everything from routine checkups and hygienist appointments through to fillings, crowns, cosmetic consultations, and dental emergencies. She also has a knowledge base as well. So if a caller asks about NHS charges, how often they should come in, or what to do with a dental emergency, she has all the information there which is stored so she can answer that without having transfer through to a receptionist on the front desk. She has then all a set of tools and reactions she can actually take during the call, like check availability, book an appointment, look up existing appointments, and cancel them as well. Each one connects directly to my automated workflow, which I'll show you in a second. So this is NA10, and this is where all the automation lives. If VAPI is the brain, NA10 is the engine room. Now, the way I've structured it, I'm using what I've called an NCP server. Don't worry too much about the technical name. Essentially, what this does, it acts like a router. So when Rachel on the call decides she needs to go to something, like check an availability or check an appointment slot, she sends a request to this, the NCP server, and looks at what's being requested and routes to the correct workflow. So if she needs to check availability, it goes one way. If she needs to book, it goes the other way. As you can see, there's different nodes. It's like a traffic controller sitting in the middle, directing everything to the right place. And the reason why I've structured it this way, it keeps everything modular. Each workflow has one job, which makes it much more easier to manage, update, and troubleshoot. So this is the check availability workflow, which is one of those nodes from the MCP server. So when Rachel says, let's take a look at something at the calendar, this is what it fires here. So it starts with the execute workflow trigger. So this will be triggered. That's just the entry point once it receives its information from the NCP server. It then looks at Google Calendar. Now, this is the most satisfying one to look at, the book an appointment workflow. This is where everything actually happens. So again, it starts with the trigger at the beginning, and then the first thing it does is run a phone number converter. This takes the UK mobile number the caller gives, like 07500, and converts it into an international format with the +44 prefix. That's what's needed because Twilio needs this information to send a message confirmation. It creates also a Google Calendar event passing through all the appointment details, the patient's name, date of birth, appointment type, whether they're a new patient, clicks their phone number, all that information goes into the calendar event so the dental team can see everything they need at a glance before the patient arrives. It also fires a confirmation message to the patient's phone number, and then it finally appends a row to the Google Sheets at the end with the booking data all locked. I'll just show a working example by putting some test data in the first trigger. So you can see this trigger's worked all the way through. It's collected the phone number, created the event, and also added it to the Google Sheet in which the dental receptionist can look at the sheet and quickly find the patient details. Or if you don't work in Google Sheets, it can be hooked up to your CRM. So NA10 is fully flexible and can work with all different types of CNM or whatever you use to manage and handle your patient's bookings. Now, before I carry on, if you're a dental practice owner watching this and you're thinking, this is exactly what I need, this is what I do at Avi. I build done for you AI voice receptionists for dental practices. So instead of your reception staff spending half a day answering calls about appointments, open hours, booking requests, my AI agent can handle all of that automatically 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, no missed calls, no patients going to voicemail, no staff tied up on the phone when they should be focused on patients. Just every call answered, every booking taken. Your team is free to focus on what actually matters, patient care. If that sounds like something your practice needs, head to the link below, aiautomation.co.uk, and book a free consultation. I will show you exactly what this will look like for your practice, completely free, no obligation. The link is in the description below. Now, let's get back to finishing this build. So this is the lookup and cancel workflow node. It follows the same pattern. It's much more simpler with only 3 nodes. It looks it up by going into the calendar, and then it finds the patient upcoming appointment and reads it back to them. It then cancels the appointment and deletes it from the calendar and confirms the deletion back to Rachel so she can tell the caller their appointment has been cancelled and offer to rebook it if needed. These are exactly other kinds of calls that take up a huge amount of the time. Patients calling to check whether their appointment is still available, or they want to move it or want to cancel it. All this is all handled automatically. And finally, I'm using Google Sheets where everything gets logged in. So every booking gets a row, a patient name, date of birth, email, appointment date and time, whether they're a new patient, whether it's being flagged as urgent, and the status of the patient. This gives the practice a complete record of everything the AI agent has booked, which is important for both admin and for any compliance requirements around patient data. Also, just to know, you don't have to log it into Google Sheets. NA10 and VAPI can work with pretty much any CRM, so whatever CRM you use at your dental practice, we can use that as a database as well, so AI can work with your CRM seamlessly. So that's the full system. VAPI handling the voice conversation, NA10 handling all the automation behind the scenes, Google Calendar for live booking management, and Twilio for mobile phone message confirmations, and Google Sheets for the audit trail. Now, if you're a dental practice watching this and you're thinking, I want this, drop me a message. The link is in the description and we can have a conversation about getting this built for your practice.